Welcome to Bike Zone, your go-to place for all things motorcycles. In today's video, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Harley Davidson Street Glide Special. Whether you're an experienced rider or new to the Harley world, this iconic touring bike offers plenty of upgrades and features that will catch your eye. Let's take a closer look at what makes this bike so special. Design and aesthetic. The 2025 model's design takes the iconic Street Glide look to the next level. It features a full front fairing, which not only adds to its aesthetic appeal, but also improves aerodynamics and rider comfort, especially at high speeds. The sculpted lines and bold finishes give the Street Glide Special a premium feel, from the front fender to the rear end. Comfort is a major focus with a custom seat ergonomically designed for long rides. The riding position is relaxed, with handlebars that provide just the right amount of control while ensuring less fatigue during extended journeys. Additionally, the suspension has been fine-tuned to deliver a smooth ride, absorbing shocks from uneven roads or potholes. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2025 Street Glide Special is the powerful Milwaukee 8 114 engine. This 1868cc V-twin powerhouse provides an impressive 100 horsepower and a massive torque output, making every ride feel like a breeze, whether you're on the highway or navigating city streets. Harley's precision engineering ensures that this engine delivers smooth acceleration, exceptional power, and an unmistakable deep rumble that only a Harley can provide. The combination of a low-end torque-rich engine and high-end responsiveness makes the Street Glide Special a joy to ride. Whether you're cruising at 60 miles per hour or taking on winding back roads, this motorcycle offers a level of confidence and stability that riders demand. Technology and features. In terms of technology, the 2025 Street Glide Special offers several cutting-edge features. The bike comes with the updated Boombox GTS infotainment system, featuring a touchscreen display that's responsive and easy to navigate, even while riding. The system includes built-in navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and premium sound, allowing riders to enjoy music or take calls without having to stop. On top of that, the bike is equipped with a full suite of rider assist technologies. Features like adaptive cruise control, cornering enhanced ABS, and traction control provide peace of mind during all kinds of riding conditions, whether it's a sunny day or a rainy evening. Customization options. Harley Davidson is known for allowing owners to personalize their bikes, and the 2025 Street Glide Special is no exception. From different finishes and color schemes to custom seats, grips, and exhausts, the options are nearly endless. Riders can tailor the look and feel of their bike to match their personality, making it truly their own. Safety and handling. Safety remains a top priority, and the 2025 Street Glide Special offers an array of advanced safety features. In addition to the cornering enhanced ABS and traction control, the bike also comes with Reflex Defensive Rider Systems, RDRS, which helps maintain control in a variety of conditions, including slippery surfaces. The bike's chassis and suspension offer excellent handling, making it stable even on sharp turns and rough terrains. This gives riders confidence, whether they're on a leisurely ride or pushing the limits on a winding road. Overview of the 2025 Harley Davidson Street Glide Special. The 2025 Harley Davidson Street Glide Special is designed for the modern rider who craves power, comfort, and cutting-edge technology. As one of the most popular models in Harley's touring lineup, the Street Glide Special offers a perfect blend of performance and style. Featuring a sleek profile, premium components, and advanced tech features, this bike is ready for long-distance journeys, city cruises, or anything in between. Conclusion. The 2025 Harley Davidson Street Glide Special combines the perfect mix of raw power, stylish design, and modern technology. With its powerful engine, smooth ride, and customizable features, it stands out as one of the top touring motorcycles available today. Whether you're a Harley enthusiast or a first-time rider looking for a premium experience, this bike is designed to offer a little something for everyone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Bike Zone for more reviews, news, and insights from the world of motorcycles. See you next time.